Welcome to Thailand. I'm Joe the Traveler and we are going to the Tiger Cave Temple today. From Ao Nang beach is just a short 20 minutes ride on a scooter. The entrance to the temple is free. The temple where I wanna go is on a 300-meter high rock. On the foot of the hill you can find the Tiger Cave and some other temples. So I just arrived at the temple, the Tiger Cave Temple. I parked my motorcycle and now it's time to climb up the mountain. It's 1260 stairs, I think. It's going to be hard. At the beginning of the stairs there were lots of monkeys and they were always trying to steal the food from the tourists. So be careful with your food and watch out for the monkeys. So apparently the steps are very steep. I just started, but it's very difficult. So this is how I look after the 1260 stairs. It's 300 meters vertically up. I'm very exhausted. Make sure to bring enough water with you. It's important to stay hydrated. Also, you have the possibility to refill your bottle on the top. And now, let's see if I can fly my drone here. Now it's time to go back down. I made it up and down again. That was nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more awesome travel content.